And I'm sure we will continue to do so in the coming years. Today we have great honor to have important representatives and experts from various parts of the world to speak and share their experiences with us. The Ministry of Land and Resources, called MLR, decided to establish the Chinese Geoparks Network. And as an authority,
Geoparks are culture, and the motto of the Global Geoparks Network is celebrating Earth heritage, sustaining local communities. Geoparks are fundamentally about people and exploring the links between our communities and the Earth.
Of nature that come from non-living nature. So what I feel, geodiversity is of value to society, to human society. And it's because of geodiversity.
This is an area in Central Australia, Arkaroola. This is an area where we have a huge volume of rock that was 12 kilometres beneath the surface and it leaked out gas. We can see that because
每个地质公园必须进行科学研究。当然，我们希望这一方面香港地质公园带个头，就是因为地质公园是一个科学公园。如果你要不进行科学的研究，你就把这个地质公园的建设不会提高到一个。
There's a drive for changes. It's a vehicle through which we can better understand the geology of the place, how Earth was in the making, and how, for instance, Hong Kong could gain.
So we have different stages. We need kind of the brain of the whole system. We need a facilitator to do the the system design, coordination, and testing. So this is
decision makers are in countries, and again, that's why we believe that closing that knowledge gap is critical for our future. But not only we have to look at our existing assets and from a
also foster a better sense of place and belonging among the residents. I'm going to talk about three scenarios. The scenario will be a balance between nature and development. The first scenario, we say nature is
shoreline as possible. So due to the conflict of the highway, we need an S-curve van tunnel going through the back hills.
So may I ask you the question again, right? After I go through this review, I didn't tell you our preference, but can you show him again? I will ensure you enjoy an early bird discount this year. So for the S-curve, would you like S-curve again? Can you show him?
If we want to enjoy our water, the beautiful waters of Hong Kong, to build piers, marinas, and other facilities. So now the question comes into play is where do you do that?
We see evidence of their fragmental origin. They were erupted as essentially ash. I'm talking about the final eruption. And then when they cooled, they welded.
I just want to remind people here is geopark is not just a geopark. It's not just about landscape. It's about the outstanding landscape and unique geological feature. It also has a very important element of conservation and sustainability. And this must be driven by the government